Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your previously watched reels on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first step we want to do is go to the homepage, and we want to go down to the bottom right where we see our profile. Go ahead and tap on that. That's going to take you to your profile page. And what you want to do is go to the top. You see these three lines here. That's going to be your menu. And you're going to want to go to where it says your activity. And from here, we have a couple options. So we can either look at our likes history, and this is going to show us all of the previous posts that we liked. We can look at our comments, we can look at notes and tags, as well as sticker responses and reviews. So these are the ways that you can see your previously watched reels. However, again, you have to interact with the reel in order to actually see your history of your reels that you watched on Instagram. So again, that's the one caveat. But if you did leave an interaction like a like or comment, you can go ahead and view it on these pages right here. So that's basically how you can see your previously watched reels on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.